Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
This is Shamik Chakrabarti.
And this is Siddharth Shetty.
And this is Broke Studio, the podcast with
No edits.
We never talk on topic, bro. Last time we decided to talk on so many things, the war and all. We ended up talking about how you should put water on your balls for 15 minutes. I was like, why? Why?
During a war.
No. तुषारी में गर्मी बहुत है ना, तो सुबह सर पे पानी डालने का, फिर उधर डालने का, ठंडा हो जाता है. Then we're just talking about that. Then I'm like, how do you enter the bathtub? Do you like
Bathtub, wow.
Do you like enter balls first? And then we forget there's a lady in the studio. She's a producer. It's just
This is like, I'm remembering there was this Ravi Gupta had done an interview of the Family Man cast for Prime Video. And in that, they were talking about that you should not bathe every day. That's the new thing. Ki once in 3 days is the optimum amount for everything. That's how much you should bathe. But then they are like, nahi, but India mein this doesn't apply. That is not an India thing.
Julia Roberts used to not bathe for good 15 days. People used to puke after a shot. She used to be like, I want to save water. I'm like, what the Julia Roberts?
Save water.
Yeah, or even this guy. I think this guy
Brad Pitt also.
No, even Matthew McConaughey doesn't bathe.
Yeah,
Yeah,
all
he
the-
looks like he doesn't. Bathe.
Yeah,
he
yeah.
has like one, but he has it's his brand also where he's like
Yeah.
he just did some farming and came. So
Correct.
that's why
No,
we
and Brad Pitt, I know this because they were
All
saying.
right.
He's like, it's all right.
He's
Teens
gouty American. Like, eh. It's like,
No,
not,
but this in that what's the guy's name, dude? Who's the villain in Family Man third season? Do you know this guy? The
Jaideep Ahlawat.
Jaideep Ahlawat.
yeah. Oh,
Stays
that
here
guy.
only. We can go visit him.
Yeah.
Jaideep Bhai says.
Literally, पहले एक venue था मासूम का Ministry of Games. He used to chill with his friends.
Oh yeah,
outside.
I used to come to
I was like, every time,
Emoji.
sir, you're here only. Please go home now.
But he had a great line.
Please go home now.
Please, sir, go home. Every
You've seen
time, don't
everything.
sit here,
You've seen
sir.
everything.
Once, yeah.
He has this line in that he's like, नहाने का पता नहीं, but धोने का हर रोज. That was like, yes, good point. In India, you gotta wash at least that part of your body every day.
You guys spoken about Oscars? How they Timothy?
Man,
No.
no, I
No,
Talk
man.
about that.
it's
man.
controversial, bro. I've been spreading my controversial opinion on this, and people are not happy.
But I thought it's too like, it's too harsh, man.
No, I mean, if you guys are so passionate about ballet, you go do. Why is no one doing it
no,
there?
That's
but
what.
the fact, bro, Gautam is that they rubbed it on his face.
Yeah.
They like had a ballet performance. They're like, you.
No, no awards. Like the
No
the
awards.
film did get any
Yeah,
awards.
yeah. And let's be honest, objectively, I loved Sinners, but come on.
Yeah.
Come on. It had that one really amazing scene, which everyone talks about. You've seen Sinners? No? Like, bhai, this is the point.
No, I'm waiting for the white version.
You gotta watch. You've not watched it either? Arey, I am sitting
I watched
with...
Resident Evil.
I
Same
didn't
thing,
know
right?
I'm sitting with two racists.
Dude, whose joke was it that he didn't know that it
I
was
slept in between the
two
movie.
Michael B. Jordans? I didn't know it was two Michael B. Jordans because that's how unracist I am. Like, no black people look the same.
Michael A. Jordan and Michael B. Jordan. No, Sinners is like a... Yeah. You know what they did? They put Chalamet's movie into this is the right-wing movie of the year. Because there are many... That right-wing guy is in the movie, the villain.
Kevin O'Leary.
Kevin O'Leary is like a Trump guy. So then they're looking for a reason to... them out of
And
the
also
whole
it
thing.
is, what do you say, celebrating little...
Negative,
the Jewish way of living, which is...
Fair enough in this...
Like the whole interview, okay, when he said the ballet and all is there.
Yeah.
Matthew McConaughey doesn't even stop. Matthew McConaughey is doing like this. He's like, oh.
Matthew McConaughey
मेरे को लगता है Matthew McConaughey नाके नहीं आया होगा ना. वो गुस्से में बोला क्या ballet वाले नाके आना है यार तू. If you see the whole interview, right?
Yeah.
Like he could have stopped. He would have,
Yeah.
he could have been like, Timothy, thoda. Like
pull
someone
yourself
like,
back. But he
Matthew
didn't.
McConaughey is like, yeah.
Don't interrupt your enemy when he's making a mistake.
Yeah, Sun
It's like
Tzu.
उसको नीचे लाता हूँ वापस. But I तो personally thought, I mean, we discussed this movie and you didn't love it, but you...
No, I didn't love it, but the reason
Yeah.
why I didn't love it was because he acted so well.
He was very good as a... He was so unlikable.
Yeah, it's so
and it was
unlikable,
so
that's why I
good.
didn't like it.
Next day they released Dune 3 ka
Yeah.
They're like,
Yeah.
No, because they had planned, I think, because he would win 3 Oscars,
Yeah.
he put Dune 3, right?
they
So
had to-
schedule करके रखा होगा.
Last minute editor.
This look like some revenge shit, bro. कि अभी तू देख, अभी तू देख. उसको पता चला अगले साल भी ऑस्कर नहीं दिया.
Last minute, the editor had to come back and re-upload. Ki
IFA is
not Oscar
Academy
winner,
Award nominee.
Academy nominee. They had to add.
IFA has approached him. IFA is like, you do one dance number,
Yeah.
we'll give you 5 awards.
Pan Parag, newcomer of the year.
Manik Chen Filmfare 6 awards will give you.
All Pan Masalas come together to make one award for
Captain
this
Pan.
guy. He's the
Yeah.
Transformers. Captain Planet of Pan Masala. IFA is still a thing. What? हो रहा है हर साल.
Dude, IFA has always been a thing. IFA was like, it's a childhood core memory.
It is.
Yes. Childhood very core memory.
Dubai and
Everyone used to like do fake fights in IFA.
Yeah.
Ashutosh
Yeah.
Gowarikar. Ashutosh was there only.
Ashutosh Gowarikar,
Sajid.
Neil Nitin Mukesh, everyone did fake fights.
Neil with
Yeah, when they made fun of his name, right?
Yeah, then he's like, you, my father's name and all that. Then,
Yeah.
Then we thought it's Ashutosh Gowarikar and this guy. Sajid Khan, I think it was real.
It felt real.
It felt real.
It felt real.
Please, idiot बोल दे. मैंने बोला, idiot क्या बोल रहा है यार?
Idiot बोल दिया यार साजिद खान को. What
After
a...
that, Ashutosh Gowarikar stopped making movies, man.
Yeah.
So that
And
felt
Sajid, I wonder why Sajid has stopped. But anyway.
yeah. We all wonder why.
But Ashutosh is back as an actor. He came on one of the OTT, maybe Z5 or something. वो wig पहन के आ रहा है अभी. He's back to old.
Everyone's doing the Akshay Khanna reboot, the wig.
Akshay Khanna.
I missed him in Dhurandhar 2, man.
You missed him. Huh? We all
Oh,
missed him.
Durandar 2, bro. I
How was
missed
it?
Durandar 2.
How
was
many
it?
hours did you enjoy out of the movie?
1 hour.
1 hour.
What is your watch time?
watch time?
Watch time
Yeah,
of-
it is kind of
Like,
CTR.
it's really a little violent. Like it's very
yeah,
violent.
no
and
shit.
like there are some scenes where you're like looking at the ceiling. I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
kya hai? But it's
Yeah,
like,
it's
okay.
that much violent, huh?
It's
like-
okay. Like full like music and all is good.
Music is good.
So now the worst part is that any scene. Okay, there's one scene. Okay, where it's a little spoiler I'll give you.
Please give, no problem.
So like Ranveer Singh is going and killing people.
Oh,
what the?
But this is like crazy killing. Okay.
got it.
Like shooting someone's balls और यहाँ से गोली वोली निकल रहा है.
Oh.
Yeah, full balls down, गोली यहाँ से like लेटा हुआ, pat, गोली इधर. And then there is rap music playing in background. Ari. So now whenever I see a street fight, I'm like rap should be there.
yeah.
I put on Spotify. I'm like, or else you should just play and speak. They're like, अरे क्या हो गया? आप लड़िए ना हमको तो Ari, pat. I require rap music.
That's true. It doesn't hit the same anymore when you just see a fight, no music.
Yeah, because see, even in Animals,
Yeah.
in the Animals movie, they have done the rap music.
Yeah.
There is one, dude, Spotify mein, there is one song. It's called Jija Killing.
Yeah. I've seen it.
Dude, it's called Jija.
I've seen this.
Jija Kill.
wait.
It's such a integral part of the film that they have a song named after it.
like Jija.
That's like
And
Inception.
it is called Killing Jija.
Killing Jija.
So it is like, he enters, there's a ding, ding, ta-na-na-na, he's killing Jija. Then there's background music, ta-na-na, he's killing Jija. I'm like, dude, now I require, whenever there's violence, little...
Yeah.
I'm sure at least one real Jija has been killed to that
Yeah.
music already. Somewhere NCR area mein, someone has used it already. Ki playlist sorted.
Playlist sorted, like, I require some, like...
No, I get it. I fell for it. The Durand, I've not seen part 2, but I've said about part 1. Beginning when the helicopter, he gets into the helicopter, that bass line is banger. I didn't care what's happening on screen. I'm like, everything is shaking right now. I'm in this moment, I'm enjoying. Then he goes to Pakistan and some bullshit happens. I'm not interested anymore.
But what are your thoughts on the plates, bro? The plates, the demonetization?
And now I know the real reason. Now I don't feel bad for standing in ATM lines for good 6 hours. Because I was in Pune when demonetization happened. तब ATM का जो इज्जत था ना, अभी ATM को कोई पूछता
No one
नहीं
gives a shit.
अभी ATM अभी मैं ATM का अंदर जाता हूँ, मैं AC का हवा खाता हूँ, ATM को देख के बोलता हूँ किधर गया तेरा अहंकार. Dude, एक टाइम था ATM
was a big
dude,
deal.
ATM was something कि उधर 500 रुपया रहेगा.
Yeah.
Then they're like, no receipt, I cannot print receipt. Then, transaction cancelled. I'm like, क्या है यार? क्या demonetization के टाइम पे जो ATM का इज्जत था, फिर demonetization के बाद ATM का इज्जत खत्म हो गया. ATM
I like
सुना है.
that. That's true.
कुत्ते
That's a
लोग बैठते हैं.
positive.
And
Positive
during
flip.
demonetization, the ATMs who had so much is that like the Lakshmi Vilas Bank and
Yeah,
all
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And
Cube
also
behind
this-
that.
Union City Bank,
Yeah.
CUB Bank,
Also,
come
the
back.
beeping, like I'm taking the card. I'm not forgotten. Beep, 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 beep. Arey, I know I have to take the card.
And some ATMs, ICICI or something,
Yes.
they were like, if you want receipt, so you were like yes, then there will be a angry face.
Yeah, yeah.
You want receipt?
Eco-friendly.
हमने पूछा क्यों फिर? पहले पूछा क्यों ATM? अब तो मैं उस दिन मुझे उस दिन गलती से कुछ पैसा निकालना था, कैश चाहिए था. I went to
Orchestra bar.
I went to some ATM, okay, in Santa Cruz,
Okay.
Bank of India. उसके पीछे the watchman is washing his clothes, bro. It's like अभी कोई आता नहीं है तो हम
He dries it in the AC of the ATM. On top of the screen, he's drying it. But yeah, now you go to ATM, it looks like it's been abandoned, and you are like, they are like, "Arey, a customer," you know, the guy.
But Dhurandhar में they showed like even Pakistan is like, oh man,
Yeah.
They got
can't you
us.
shit right now.
They fucked us. They master stroke, right?
Master
Yeah.
stroke.
But apart from that, it is time pass the movie. See, मेरे लिए
4 घंटे का टाइम पास क्यों चाहिए? But that's my
नहीं
question.
4 घंटा समझ में नहीं आता. पहले बात तो उसमें गाना वाला भी मस्त है. देखो मेरा कैसा मालूम है.
हाँ, टाइम पास हो रहा है.
मेरा कोई see I am very plain vanilla. मेरा वैसा नहीं है कि have you seen Shawshank Redemption? Yes, I have seen Shawshank Redemption. But have you seen Yes Boss? मैंने बोला yes I have also.
Yes, Boss.
I don't have any barometer. I'm
Yeah.
like whatever
We'll
it
watch
is.
it all, हाँ.
So I was like full time pass. Songs are very good. Then
Songs are good?
Songs are good and time
Which
pass.
all parts did an applause break happen in the theater?
I like
Yeah.
What is lot of parts applause break happened, but I liked Rakesh Bedi's acting in it. Like
Oh,
it was like Rakesh Bedi is so good. Every frame, see, we can't take that away from him in the movie. Rakesh Bedi, then Gaurav Gera's acting, and I don't know, man. Like Arjun Rampal is okay. I mean,
Yeah.
He's okay, yeah?
It's okay. I mean, dude, Arjun Rampal's dad, bro. Arjun Rampal, you know, is shown as major. Okay.
हाँ.
उसका वो जब भी घर पे आया उसका बाप बोलता है तो है तो है. Like he's shown like the villain, okay? And his dad is all the time telling, अबे आ गया तू तेरी लग गई, and full is like this.
They're
The dad
speaking
is-
like this.
and it's so funny, bro. It's like
So they made Pakistani characters like a comedy. They're
Yeah.
like they're all quack 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 while
Yeah,
the
yeah,
music
they're like,
at the
quack,
back.
quack, quack,
हाँ,
quack,
हाँ,
quack,
हाँ.
quack.
And India's
but
like
Arjun
badass.
Rampal's dad is like very like he's like देखा कर दिया आपको ये सब लोगों ने.
Okay.
So
Oh, he's
like,
trying to get. This is like an animal in that side.
Yeah.
Like
He's the
to-
animal origin story.
Yeah,
of the,
getting like the validation of his
See,
dad.
Animal, I never so Animal, the problem with Animal is you give me a reason why your dad is the best dad.
Yeah.
You're killing 300 people.
Yeah.
Why is he best dad?
Yeah.
Did he get you G.I. Joe? Did he Anta get you PlayStation? Did he take you to Kabban Park to
Yeah.
play? There's something. See,
Yeah,
Gautam.
yeah.
Like I will
Fair
say,
enough.
I will say my dad is good daddy because he like मेरे को picture दिखाया, खाना वाना अच्छा खिलाया, कुछ लाके. You're best dad in the world. Why is he best dad?
Yeah. It's
Last
too
तक
much.
he did not show.
It's too much. Or the flip, like he was an abusive dad.
Also,
Yeah,
This
so
is
you want to
a-
get his
also know
validation.
dad is catching with which hand.
Yeah, that- how
All
do you know
details,
that?
How you know, beta? Beta,
that
what is this?
That's a messed up detail. I'll never forget that moment. After that moment, I was talking to the people I was with.
This
I'm
is
like,
where
"What
the
is this?"
director over romanticizes. थोड़ा मेरा भी
No, that Sandeep Reddy Vanga has one. There is a homoerotic element to all his movies. He
Yeah.
focuses on the crotch area of a man in every film. You'll see in Kabir
Kabir Singh?
Singh there is
but
one.
it's good. I mean, I think this awareness should be there in
It's,
the world.
we
because
all
the
know
cro-
we have that.
With
Who
crotch
doesn't?
area awareness also. It is
Yeah.
it is a
I
different
think
light.
you have spread the awareness when you said we must wash that area. That is real awareness.
No, first
But-
to cold water. See,
Cold.
It is the thermometer of the body, according
that
to
is
Mr.
true.
Tushar.
Thermostat.
Who? According to who? Prashant Bhushan.
नहीं नहीं
Tushar Bhushan now only has come out of jail, macha. Why are you doing this? He's like,
One
मैं
more.
अब भी निकला जेल से. बच्चे लोग मेरे पीछे क्यों लगे?
that Jeep is taking a U-turn. It's coming back. Yeah, but that is true. In Mumbai, though, you need it, bro.
Yeah,
Mumbai-
I
all
can
this in
understand.
Bangalore, when I used to live Bangalore, you can get away with this.
Yeah.
Dude,
once
this
in a
Bombay
while.
paradox, I don't understand. This has happened to you guys. I just want to ask. It's 40 degree outside. And I can't have cold water because I'm very prone to cold.
Huh.
Yeah, I am
But-
also
and my
like
doctor
that.
says have boiling hot water. I'm like, how can
You
I
will
have
die. Yeah.
This is like that
This is
dahi
punishment.
paradox. If you have dahi, it actually heats your body. You're like, hey, but
Yeah.
it goes inside cold, but inside.
Yeah, why is it like that? Why
Yeah.
is Dahi designed like that? then?
Yeah.
Are you with me over here?
Yeah, why are you being a hoe there?
What kind of a is Dahi ki, अरे ठंडा है मैं यार तिले
Yeah.
खाना थोड़ा.
Yeah.
And then here it's hot.
You're
Are you
hot.
kidding me? Though this thing, Mumbai, what happens is summer, peak heat. I catch a cold because in Mumbai indoors people make the AC
Yeah.
12 degrees and all. Like you're not allowed by government to reach that temperature. In Habitat के green room में I'm freezing. I have to carry a jacket now in a summer. You feel like an idiot. People are like jacket लेके आए हैं. Because we also have a bravado in
Mumbai does something for your skin though. Your skin gets better.
yeah,
in
because
Mumbai.
it's a humid.
Humid.
Humidity is there, you know.
Humidity.
Something's
humidity,
there.
then yeah.
Yeah, we are always like that glossy finish.
Yeah.
We have glossy finish even while we are walking around.
Ever youth.
Ever youth. That's
Life
Life boy, bro. It's a natural life boy.
But my problem has always been that doctors like, please don't have anything cold. I'm like, it's 40 degree outside. How can I survive? They'll have boiling hot water. I have green tea. I was like, what is this punishment? Bro? What is this punishment?
Boiling water. Yeah, anyone who says you must have boiling water, it's good for health. They have the attitude of a person where like, why you want to live this long like this?
No, they just
They're
know
not-
one thing. They just know that heat destroys bacteria. One thing they learned, and
Yeah.
then they're like, now everywhere, put boiling hot water. Everything, yeah. it's
Everything,
like,
hot
you have
water.
AIDS, drink hot
Yeah, it
water.
was the
Have
water.
kasai then. Like, have tulsi kasai.
boil,
have.
boil the HIV out of you. It doesn't work like that. And also, boiling water is also bad for your throat, which they don't tell you about. If you drink it all your life, you
Yeah.
can get all kinds
I'm
of
sure
issues.
something is taking away. It takes away
you
something.
can get the big C.
Like people,
Oh,
what big?
big C.
What's that?
Cholera.
Cancer,
No,
bhai.
cancer.
Cancer, I wanted to talk about something, guys.
Tell me,
Recently
tell
I
me.
read it. Nowadays, I read 6 articles, dude. I don't know which scientist is researching this.
Yeah.
They're like, what is worse than smoking?
Cancer Institute has.
Oh, yeah,
No,
it's a-
if you go down on a woman.
It's worse than smoking.
Yeah. is
For
the
throat?
Throat cancer, 100%.
100%.
Yeah, they're like, yeah. Worse than what is worse than smoking?
This is
Smoking
the-
like you're taking tobacco.
So,
I'm just.
why
That's
don't
the
they do
greatest
the-
excuse to not go down on a woman.
Like even if someone is
Yeah.
going down, then please,
this
he's
is-
choosing cancer over you.
this
Then
looks like
please,
the
please
manosphere.
quietly marry him. Quietly marry him next day.
Looks like a manosphere rumor.
There was this thing about Michael Douglas getting throat cancer.
Yeah.
he said he went down on his wife so much that he got throat cancer. So Michael Douglas, but he was a smoker also. He never
Yeah.
attributed it to
Yeah.
smoking somehow.
If you're going down and then smoking at the same time.
Ah,
Yeah.
which is you gotta. That's the one.
That,
that's
both
the,
of you will get cancer.
That's
there.
a 1-2 punch to your throat. It's like double dhamaka.
Yeah.
But then before
But
every
then boiling water after that?
boiling water will kill everything.
Everything. The lava also.
Kasayam. They're putting kasayam out. I was like, why? Little went down. And, Mrs. Wanted me to go down. Little
It was
kasayam.
her birthday, so.
It's her birthday, so little
Birthday
bit.
cancer for my throat. But if this cancer thing is true, then before every film, we don't just need a smoking ad. We need a what do you call? What's the guy's name? Our famous. Who's the smoking?
Mukesh.
Mukesh. We need a
Gutka
Mukesh.
Mukesh.
Yeah.
आपका मैं थोड़ा I used to little bit They're like
That husband-wife ad is already there. No, the second ad.
Yeah.
husband wife had like now they've changed. Like previously it was like very
Graphic.
not graphics. So previously there used to be a woman who used to have gutka. Okay, so
Yeah.
there was like okay.
Yeah,
woman.
I remember that.
Now they changed the woman. Now it's
Yeah,
man having
it's
gutka. I'm like,
offensive.
why?
Yeah.
Why did you remove auntie, bro?
Yeah,
The
it's
auntie
just-
can also have gutka.
That's
right?
true. It became sexist, the good ad.
Yeah,
again.
man. It's just.
But I don't
blatant
think
sexism.
you saw. Is this a reputed source? This going down on a person?
5 articles I saw based on research.
This is it's an incel article. I
Yeah, I mean, same research. One research,
Name.
5 hours. The PR, like Pink Villa,
Is
Viral
it?
Not
Bayani.
pink. Why pink will I do this?
think has a good name for this.
They're making
That's
so
what-
awkward. They're
that's what I call-
क्या बात कर रहे हैं ये लोग सब? Yesterday only. Yeah.
Pink villa, brown villa, any villa. Honestly, it's fine. No, we must not.
They have written was worse than tobacco
Worse than tobacco.
is going down. I was like,
That's insane to me. If that is true.
That is the cigarette companies are doing this. This is 100%
true.
cigarette company
That's
lobby.
true, that's
This is
true.
the final straw.
yeah.
final straw. They're like,
Now nobody has sex also. which-
Cigarettes After Sex is the worst band name of all time. Then Double Cancer. Hey, Cancer After Cancer. That's what the name is of the band. Oh man, I hope that's not true, bro.
But how's it going, man? How's it going for you guys? I mean, how's it going, man? I mean, yeah. I mean,
Wait, are we talking about our love life? Are we talking about love life,
Hey,
bro?
yeah, we had a question for your love life.
How's your love life going,
How's
bro?
your love life, bro?
Oh,
How's it? We also
spicing
come
things
prepared.
up, spicy candles. Love life is there, yeah. Somewhere is there.
You
It's
are
good only.
you are dating somebody.
I'm seeing someone.
Seeing. That's most important.
See them every day. Then I'm like, okay, all right.
That's exactly how it should be done.
But what is it like? According to you, there's seeing, then there's dating. So seeing is exclusive.
No, dating.
Dating.
When you're dating
I was just
only.
trying to get you into
Yeah,
a
but
fight
it's
right after the release.
It's nice only. It's good.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Amazing, yeah.
stuff.
Nice.
It's there. I mean,
Yeah.
It's there.
yeah. I mean, okay.
Yeah.
It's a
Okay.
part of your
love
life.
love is powerful.
Okay, it's there. Oh, okay. all right,
Okay,
yeah.
you are able to you've compartmentalized. This is my love life is there and
Yes.
professional life is there. Both are happening.
Both are happening.
That's all. What
Profession is
else you-
something like, yeah.
Is
Shoot
she
reels.
is she a cricket fan like you?
Yeah, she watches cricket here and there.
That's mandatory, no, in this day and age.
नहीं मेरे को ऐसा लगता है cricket now everyone is a cricketer. There's so much of cricket that is happening.
There is so much of cricket, bro.
Everybody is a cricket half fan now.
Yeah, because they've combined cricket and entertainment
Yeah.
lifestyle so that the everyone in the household has an angle. For
Yeah.
it. Like this Hardik and Mahika thing is great for cricket because who is not into Hardik, they'll be like, who's this Mahika? Let me find out. And then
Now full that thing is also happening now. Why the family members are not coming? I am like they're dating. Why the family members will?
yeah, why will they come? What
Like
is-
if you're on a date, why will your brother come on the date? Why will he come? What is his role in the date? Well, like they did not come in publicly and wish. What should they give? Monjini's cake? Oh, okay, all right. What is the Pavan Kalyan after he became deputy CM is going to Chiranjeevi's house and falling on his feet? Anna, because of you. He's not here. Come
Well,
on.
see, when our any celebrity colors the hair blonde in India, no, we become angry. We're like, now this is too much. You're trying to be a white
modern.
guy. Yeah, too
No,
modern.
but he's changing his hair like thumbnails. He's
Yeah,
changing
it's like
every
iPhone cover.
Yeah,
It's
every
like
2 weeks he's there bald, yellow, red.
But I like it. It's very
I like
aura
how
forming.
I like,
You like aura? You like his aura?
I like his aura. I'm like,
the thing is he performs in big games. As long as he performs, I really don't care. It's
the problem.
No, the thing is you are not a huge cricket fan.
True.
So then you care about these aspects
Yeah.
of the person. I'm like, he won the game, no? I don't care what he does.
Yeah.
He has paws tattooed on his neck. I'm not a fan of that, objectively speaking.
exactly.
But I'm like, chalo bhai, if it helps you win, put it till here. Post Malone. Make it
Yeah,
like-
make it walk
Yeah,
all the way
yeah.
up.
Put like a rocket here.
Yeah, rocket.
Flower,
End of the
bonda,
paw
aloo
print,
bonda,
finally
something.
the tiger. Put the tiger finally at the end
Yeah.
of the prints. You must get to
Don't
the
care,
tiger.
man. Don't care, man. You
Kill
just win the games for us.
Win the games.
The more scarier you look while bowling if you have like a tiger here.
That's true.
Yeah.
There's nothing scarier.
Imagine Muthaiya Muralidharan had a tiger
Yeah.
tattooed.
Bro,
The batsman will be like, take wicket here,
He
please.
already had a tiger face when he was bowling there.
Yeah, then there was some kind of tiger involved. But no, we will not. Hey, you used to do a big. My favorite thing on the internet is
Sri
this
Lankan.
guy
I
used to
still
do
do
the
it, dude.
Sri
It's
Lankan.
the
You
most
still do it?
It's the most. I enjoy a lot while doing it because.
So let me tell people, you do the
So,
impression of Mahinda Rajapakse, the former Prime Minister of Prime Minister only, right?
This is Mahinda Rajapakse, your neighborhood Prime Minister from Sri Lanka. And this is not how Sri Lankans talk.
Yeah, and धरती माँ के गोद से बोल रहे हैं is your
धरती
line.
माँ के गोद से फटके निकला हुआ बेटा.
Where this line came
Dude,
from?
it's just time pass, bro.
That's
It just
great.
started. So it just started. I started doing that character. Then Sri Lanka went through a crisis. Okay. Then I'm like, my name is Mahinda Rajapakse. If you get a message on your Instagram asking for money, it's me only. Please give me some 500 rupees, 600 rupees.
It's insane. What an insane choice. I'm so happy. Whenever I see that Rajapakse is back, I'm like, chalo, one more time. I'm glad he's kept this character alive. And he also do this combination of things, which is like, you're a big Formula One fan. So you'll bring that Formula One Lewis Hamilton, but from somewhere in Mumbai.
Yeah,
With
yeah.
Mumbaikar problems. Like some mileage is bad of the car. And so we'll use these angles.
You know now what
Yeah.
they've done with Formula One cars? It's like you have to lift and coast. Like you have to like you have to brake a lot.
Okay.
For the batteries to be energized. This is 50% IC, internal combustion engine, and 50% electrical power.
Oh, so they even Formula One is
the
hybrid.
Formula One cars have become slow.
Ah.
So I'm like Lewis Hamilton is again keeping an Amaron Excite battery between the race.
This is damn funny. Formula One's one sport. They keep making the cars slower. Like, and originally it was like a bunch of lunatics.
Yeah.
Who were amateurs, so they would build their own fences, and the fence would be broken, so people would slide and their head would get cut off. All this was happening famously, right? And now, once it became professional, it became almost less exciting.
It became like corporate.
It became
This
corporate.
is like an HR team.
Yeah, it's a
everything,
proper. Yeah, it's a proper corporate thing now.
Right?
Yeah,
Because their main thing is their metric is no death should happen. That is their big pride, right?
Safety.
Safety. Safety is important, but I mean.
But you
let's be
see that
honest.
what Bernie Ecclestone, is he still
Bernie
alive?
Ecclestone?
Is that?
He's there. No, that
He's
guy, you
dating-
see, he
he's-
doesn't care about anyone's death.
I mean,
bro.
a guy who looks like that,
Yeah,
who's
he
dating
looks
a
like a
19-year-old,
raisin.
like he doesn't care about anything.
Senna dying on track was like a very.
That was a big. Everything changed after
Everything
that.
changed after that. Like there's a legend dying on track.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like the greatest
Dude.
of your sport dying on during that sport will have an impact. Like 100%.
And that best documentary ever, bro.
Senna documentary
Senna,
is
Asif Kapari. I watched it.
Yeah. Have you watched the Senna documentary?
Yeah, so good.
Yeah, dude.
That guy is anyway
Always.
good. Even the Maradona documentary. is okay.
Even the Senna movie is also good.
Yeah, but I don't like when like someone plays. The thing with this Asif Kapari documentary is that he doesn't talk. Everything is like press
It's footage.
conference or like
Footage,
the
yeah.
real people talking.
Who's playing Senna?
Some actor
Oh, it's not like a very famous.
who looks
guy.
like Senna.
He looks like Senna. This is very important, right? Some one thing I've noticed, like if the person looks like the person in a biopic, even if it's a biopic, we forgive it. We are like, this guy is nailing the appearance.
So in Dhurandhar they showed Nawaz Sharif but with AI face.
Actual Nawaz Sharif AI they put. Wow. This is why the movie is a big deal for us. We are dominating Pakistan through the silver screen. We are like, ye le bhai. We are spitting on them through a
कुछ लोगों का
blockbuster.
चेहरा ही ऐसा लेता है ऐसा लगता है AI है ये. Sorry.
Nawaz, when he was like in general also used to see him and be like, yeah. Before AI was invented, you're like, कुछ तो अलग लग रहा है
कुछ तो अलग है यार थोड़ा like इमरान खान AI है ये तो.
But now these like Senna, they got an actor to play him, right? I think those days are going to get over because now everything is documented. Like
No, but you're saying like when they make a Hollywood film, they'll still use an
no,
actor.
but also right now, like for example, this whole like Mike Tyson has a movie coming out and all these things. We don't need a movie about him because everything is there.
And
In his
it's-
own words, it's there.
Yeah, and it's shot in it's
But
there in good
Dhoni
footage.
was good movie.
Huh?
Dhoni was also there.
I mean,
Dhoni movie was good.
That's what right. You don't have a camera in the railway station. We didn't have the cameras there, right?
हाँ वैसे.
हाँ.
Yeah. What do you feel, bro? What do you feel about comedy producers right now?
Yeah.
What is the tropes?
You know what? Yeah, man.
What are the
Let's-
tropes of the producers?
I like every producer. Like, see, I feel because I produced for a while.
Yes.
So I used to run a room. तो मेरे को लगता है बहुत tough काम है पहली बार.
Tough तो है. Thankless
It's
job.
a thankless job.
Thankless job.
Exactly.
Right? Exactly.
These kids use this. They're thanking everybody but not thanking us. Sorry, but this is random. But
Yeah. No,
it's a
it's
thankless
true.
job, A. But I feel it has to be democratic.
Hmm.
Like how Canvas was. Canvas was like very simple. Like when I started doing comedy in yesterday days.
Good old
in
days.
Good old days. 2017 and 18. Okay.
Yeah.
Plus one get okay, or else you will get 3 minutes.
Okay.
3 minutes, what you'll do? You'll bomb only.
Yeah, 3 minutes is a long time to bomb. Huh?
Yeah, it's long to bomb, not long enough to kill.
Yeah.
Then what happened? I started losing a lot of friends. Like that was like first 6 months. Dude, literally.
Oh, because you were just using
Now they
them.
don't believe only I do good comedy.
Yeah.
Like they have seen they have seen me bombing so much. They're like, it's not possible only.
Yeah.
Some AI thing you're doing.
So they used to use them as plus ones every
I should use them as
show.
plus one.
हाँ.
क्योंकि पहले ना बहुत कम rooms थे रे Bombay
Yeah.
में. There was Cuckoo Club.
Yeah.
Then
Very
there
nice
was
room.
Brown Bread run by Ruben.
Ruben.
Then there was Backstage by Hijaz. Hijaz and all like
Laughing Coconut.
Hijaz and all for 3.5 minutes, it's 4 minutes, 3.5 minutes, Hijaz should start vibrating. I'm like, what happened to him? He's having a show. I was like, what happened to him? What happened to you? No. I'm like, what happened to people are sitting here? What happened? I'm like, what happened to you, bro? Like, everything was normal.
Yeah.
It's okay. No. I'm like, yeah.
Yeah. Then
Like
that
5
was
minutes,
it.
if you go, he'll give you F5. Brock Lesnar. So
Oh my God, it's Brock Lesnar.
then there was Canvas. Okay, Canvas you have to mail them like 20 times a month. Then one mail reply.
Yeah,
they had
It'll
that.
go in
Yeah,
the
like
spam
cold
folder.
email.
Aura.
It'll go in the spam folder.
Yeah.
You will not know. Last day you will know. They'll like, you not confirm to
Yeah.
us. Then you're like, oh my God, where is my
Yeah.
career in comedy going?
Can you
I'm
be?
done.
They'll be like, can you be here in 3 minutes? Like that.
Three
Finally.
minutes.
huh.
I was like, whoa, okay, all
And
right.
Yeah.
that is sad when your mail and one Nigerian prince's mail.
Yeah, in the
are
same box.
box.
They're
You have
both
to-
way-
yeah.
Actually, I have 10 minutes ready to use. Dude, I'm not kidding you. Yesterday, as we are recording this, I was walking home from a trial show in Bandra, and a guy came on scooty wrong way, and he's like, excuse me, आप comedy करते हैं, right? I'm like, हाँ. He's like, I have 10 minutes ready, आप मेरे को spot दे दो. Real. And I'm like, who are you? I'm like, without saying who are you, I'm like, who are you? He's like, अरे मैं करता हूँ comedy. मैं इतना open mic नहीं करता हूँ.
yeah.
But I'm ready.
Those are the good ones.
I've opened once for this on the road.
I like
randomly.
such people with such confidence.
Yeah.
See, I feel you have to be either very practical or either very delusional. There's no middle.
Yeah.
That's true. No, delusion's huge
Practical,
for us.
delusional. You have to be very delusional. Like
Yeah.
you get up in the morning, you're like, I have it. I got this.
Yeah.
because
That's the Seedhe Maut energy you need from the beginning.
yeah,
Yeah.
like you don't say anything about Seedhe Maut.
I'm a fan.
I
man.
thought we were friends, man.
I'm a fan of Seedhe
it
Maut.
was good while this lasted.
No, I'm an actual fan, but I'm saying you.
I told you what I did to Seedhe Maut once.
What did
But
you
I'm
did
big-
to them?
but we are big fans of Seedhe Maut. So once they were coming out of Habitat,
Huh.
I went to them. I was also little Anta barley rassa I had had.
Ah,
Yes.
yes. You
So
were in
I-
high spirits.
High spirits, barley rassa Anta I had it. Sorry. Dad.
Barley rasa, yes.
So I just went to them. I'm like, you guys have changed my life.
Oh.
Dude, this and all. If someone tells you,
Yeah.
you will be like, what the f, bro?
Yeah, that's true.
And they all say, hey, bro, bye.
No, that's what they maintain the energy
Yeah,
with
yeah.
like people who come up to them
But
also.
Gautam, when someone comes to you and tells you that you changed my life.
No, I get awkward.
You'll get awkward. You cannot be like, Abhi jana. You'll
Yeah,
like,
no,
"Arey,
you can't
thank
be
you."
Jana. You will
Yeah.
just be. If I've had a few drinks, I'll be nicer.
Yeah.
But I don't drink enough
Yeah.
to get those moments anymore. So I'll be awkward, bro. I'll feel.
Yeah, I'll be
like,
awkward.
thank you.
Thank you very
Photo if you want. If you don't want, also no problem. But this was like, were they already see the moth? Like they were big already.
No, I don't know. They were there for some shoot or something. But they're very sweet. They're like, bye.
Yes, they seem to be cool. Yeah. When anytime Madhur Virli has shared my reel, one guy from See the Moth has liked it.
Yeah.
Like that's my connection to See the Moth. If Madhur shares, one guy from See the Moth, Kam bhai ko acha laga ye wala. But no, this thing you're saying about coming into comedy confident, it's happening more and more. People are now confidence comes first.
Yeah.
First. Material, we'll work on it later.
No, because now most of comedy is panel show comedy. And panel show comedy is easier.
It's like a group thing also.
Yeah, it's like people assume that they can do it because it's like a lot of like bantering only.
True.
Oh, but when we started comedy, it was YouTube comedy. Like,
Yeah, YouTube comedy,
You put video on YouTube, it doesn't work. Then you become sad for next 6 months.
Yes, and then that's where the next 6 minutes will come out.
Yeah, then you
yeah.
break, it breaks you inside, and then if you survive that, then you
Now
can
there's
be...
reels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're like 2 reels work, then I'll put solo.
Yeah.
Then they realize in the solo they don't have material.
Yeah. How
And then-
can you have?
And then they're like, tickets are why they're not selling. Why are people getting up in the middle of the show and leaving? Yeah.
Why is it that they don't
Why is
like a bad thing for
Are
long?
you a couple material not working? Are you guys married? What?
Yeah.
No?
Because we've all been through that phase, I feel, assume कि जहाँ पे 18 लोग के लिए perform किया, solo डाला, फिर 7 एक बार 12 टिकट बिका तो like, yes, come on,
Of
double
course.
digits.
Huge. I'll never
Dude,
forget
that's
it. bro.
crazy, man.
I'll never forget. I think that the joy of the first time, whatever number of tickets you have in mind as a good number, the first time I hit a number where I felt like, wow, these people came
Yeah.
for me. That joy I'll never feel again in anything.
That joy
That is
followed by heavy imposter syndrome
Yeah,
after
yeah.
that. where you're
Imposter
like,
syndrome though is
"Oh,
huge, bro."
these
But
guys
now
why-"
also, bro. Like,
Yeah, of course,
If
it
people
should
come
be.
to watch, I'm like, okay, they made plans around me.
Yeah.
Because it's just not. It's so gratifying in a way
Yeah.
that they're just booking a cab, putting good
Yes.
clothes, they're making plans, they're making dinner plans around
Yes.
you.
Yeah, in the
Yes.
morning they wake up and they're like, oh, I have to go and watch
Yeah,
Shakti
watch
today.
this.
Yeah.
Dude, like,
And it
yeah.
means more in India than all these
Yeah.
Western countries because what you have to put yourself through to get to our venues. It's I know we've never been genuine on this
No,
podcast.
no, I
Yeah.
say, I
but
say.
This is
So, yeah,
genuine
no,
because
not-
he is
but-
bringing it out. In us. we
I
are
had to
like,
tell them,
we
like, you
are
know.
like, yeah, whatever, subscribe, okay.
Yeah.
But actually, we are like this inside.
तो मैं बहुत कॉमेडी देखता था मैं मतलब कॉमेडी चालू करने के पहले ना
हाँ, you're a fan.
मैं 2015 से कॉमेडी देखता मतलब मैं करुणेश तलवार अभिषेक उपन्यु गौरव कपूर when he was in Mumbai
Yeah.
Man, you're telling these names like you're not a comic. You're like, okay, you don't
No,
say.
but मैं ये लोग का अरे कैसा
You
है
were
ना
a
गौतम,
fan
मैं
before.
ये लोग का मैंने बहुत ट्रायल शोज देखा है
Okay.
मतलब मैं बहुत मतलब
हाँ, you were into
ओपन
it.
मैक्स मेरे को अच्छा लगता था देखने
Yeah.
के dude I am the best audience I am the best audience I laugh at everything okay
Yeah.
अरे.
I am like there have been times where Karunesh must not be remembering this there have been times where you know he's cracked a joke and I have just started laughing he's like तो ठीक है ना
अरे,
मुझे पानी वानी दे
we
दो
need these
हाँ
audience
full
people.
craze
Yeah.
तो I am the best तो I used to like comedy a lot so
Yeah.
I know I stay in Kandivli
Yeah.
so all these shows happen in Bandra तो मेरे को पता होता
Yeah,
था कि
you have been through this
हाँ,
journey.
so I've been through the whole journey where you know I've made plans with friends. I'm like, come na, he's good only, yeah, come na, please. Yeah.
Come, he's good
Very
only.
good, yeah. he is.
Putting your reputation on the line.
Then I'm looking at that friend, क्या रे हंस रहा है कि नहीं हंस रही है कि नहीं. So I'm like, so I've done. तो मेरे को अच्छा लगता है कि जब
Yeah.
लोग आते हैं.
That's great, dude. You've been through that journey. I mean, I've never been that much of a fan
Yeah.
before I became a comic. I was a comedy fan, but this thing of like you lived in Bombay, you saw these people,
Yeah,
and now
yeah. It
you're
was a
doing
very
it.
cool thing for me to do also.
Yeah.
मेरे को लगता है जब 2015-16 में कॉमेडी देखना थोड़ा मतलब ऐसे niche,
It was niche.
very
First
niche.
comedy show I saw, he was there.
What? That was the first?
Yeah.
Oh man,
First.
sorry, bro. Sorry.
Like Canvas and all you
Somnath
go.
Kelt.
Yeah.
Canvas and all you go.
Yeah.
The Canvas itself was in a fancy mall.
Yeah.
So
So
now,
it's already
yeah, it's a very
premium.
nice
Yeah.
mall. तो
It's a proper plan. Like people have
yeah,
come.
तो सामने जाके रोलिंग पिन में कुछ खा लिया, chill कर
No,
लिया.
but the thing is that when you go to Laugh Store is when like I still barely feel like an artist, right? Like you feel like everywhere in Bangalore, Mumbai, you're performing. You're going 5 minutes before, you know everybody, you're mic'd here before. But when you go to Laugh Store, then when they treat you like an artist, then you're like, yeah, bro, photos,
Yeah, like-
photos lena hai kya?
What a room, man. Love store. Sorry, we don't have to compliment rooms
Yeah.
like this, but
But even Canvas,
banger.
dude, whenever Canvas-
I mean, same.
Canvas,
It's designed
I mean,
like
I
that.
miss Canvas fully.
मैं कभी I've never performed a Laugh Store, but I performed Canvas a couple of times.
Yeah.
Dude, the best part of the room was like nowadays I see comics complaining कि अरे audience दिख नहीं रहा, अरे Canvas में नहीं दिखता था audience.
That's
It used
not
to be-
mandatory, huh?
इतना काला होता था and it used to be like a semi arc.
Yeah.
तो जब लोग हंसते थे तो wave जाता था.
Yeah.
Yeah.
और and ऐसा मैं वो feeling कभी नहीं आएगा and the walk to the green room was quite a walk. So if you're bombing also you'll feel that, you know, that sinking feeling would be there.
But this is a good point. I think we've spoken about this before. But how important is it to you to see the crowd? I'm not. To me, it's not
For
important.
me also because sometimes I just see straight and perform.
Yeah, I'm seeing in the void. You like to see some people.
I need to see the first 2 rows.
Yeah,
and
first
then-
row I don't mind if
Yeah,
they can
first
see.
2 rows I need to see.
But you know, like in an auditorium, for example, sometimes you see zero, right?
Yeah, yeah,
you
zero,
see
zero.
You're performing into a sea of black. And-
Yeah, auditorium you can't see like this. I have to see like this only because
Yeah.
but unless until performing somewhere where the audience is a little closer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अगर जैसे कि if you're performing somewhere in like Aspi or something in Malad,
Yeah.
it's a little far.
The thing is, if you can't see the full crowd, I think a lot of people rely on moving into crowd work also whenever they want. So in these situations, you have to rely fully on material, right?
Yeah.
So that's something some people get pissed off
मेरा
about.
ऐसा है ना कि मैं किधर भी करूँ ना मैं मेरे 5 मिनट में निपटा देता हूँ crowd work और मैं इतना crowd work करता भी नहीं हूँ
Yeah.
ऑडिटोरियम में क्या ही crowd work करोगे आप कितना ही crowd work करोगे
Yeah. It's annoying for the people at the
Yeah.
back that you're talking to. I mean,
Yeah.
when I'm
It's-
opening
it's-
for people, I
it's
don't.
annoying for people in the back because they can't hear what this guy said.
Yeah.
It's annoying for the
Yeah.
front because you have to repeat
Yeah.
what they said. So
and if you
it's-
don't repeat, that's bad.
Yeah.
Then many people people forget that you have to repeat on the mic.
And
And
sometimes there are people in balcony. I'm not sold enough tickets in balcony.
Yeah.
There are only 30 people. It's like you're giving them punishment.
Yeah.
yeah,
They're like, oh,
they feel punished.
Punishment,
Yeah.
okay. Please talk to us also, Anna.
I'm seeing after 5 minutes of the show, I'm seeing some movement in the balcony. They've gone and sat in the back row because it's empty. They're like, fuck it. One guy sitting alone in the one full row. He's
Yeah.
like, when I want, I'll listen. Yeah, it's happened to me. It feels bad when the balcony is empty.
The problem is that like most of the auditoriums are old also, which are made for music,
Yes.
which has an orchestra well, where you need to stage high and your audience is there.
Yeah, they're-
So when you're doing crowd work also, you're like, so yeah, you little man, what are your
See,
thoughts?
the angle is
This
crazy.
is there.
I close in. I did one auditorium in Delhi. I closed off the first row. I'm like in my show because my height also.
Yeah.
It's just no.
Yeah,
It just
yeah.
I feel bad for those people. So first row was empty, but it doesn't visually. Then it looks little bit like.
Ticket नहीं बेचा क्या?
Ah.
Ticket नहीं बेचा.
That's
They
it
like-
looked like he put 799 ticket for front row and it
Yeah, they didn't come. Or my friends didn't show up.
799 बेच के बोला कि तुम पीछे बैठो. अरे ये क्या है?
What about LPG? You guys didn't get affected by LPG?
Dude, Mumbai has
What the hell,
CNG,
guys?
so autos were not affected as far as I saw. Bangalore, everything stopped, bro.
Bro,
Dosa.
dosa got stopped.
Without dosa, what is
It
Bangalore?
was like I had to call my dealer and all for dosa. He was like 1 tola dosa and all. He was like, okay,
Okay ना.
Hydro. Hydro. It's more
Hydro
water.
dosa.
More water you have to put. Nice
Yeah.
fragrance.
It's a small dosa, but like very potent. You get with chutney.
It's from Amsterdam.
Would have
Amsterdam
never thought,
dosa.
dude. Like, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है ना 2019 या 20 से ऐसा सब हो रहा है दुनिया में जो अपने अपने पेरेंट्स ने भी नहीं देखा है मतलब.
In the future, they will talk about this era as something crazy happened. Now we are in it, so we don't realize. Dude, COVID, we lived through. How can after COVID more issues happen? We should be free of problems for a few years.
Now there's people like terrified. Like COVID like things will happen है ना. I already get frustrated. मेरे को थोड़ा सा डर लगने लगता है. Like,
Dude, once COVID happened, it's permanently changed my psyche. I'm
Yeah.
like, I don't trust anything anymore. I didn't think the world can shut down.
Yeah.
It did. So I'm like, I don't believe any rumor. Someone is sick there, it can
no one
spread.
thought Dubai will go through so much. Yeah, I mean like Dubai went through so much. Dubai is the place.
Dubai,
yeah.
right?
Dubai went through so much. And
Dubai
I was
is,
like, we had like a couple of villas in Dubai and they got bombed and we were like, what the
One leaf of the palm tree has fallen off from top, you know.
And that's why very smart Iranian drones. They're like for 70th floor they'll go. This is the high real estate property. Nice view. You see a
dude.
drone coming towards you.
Drone view. Drone view apartments.
One of my friends is like, देखो मालूमेगा बुर्ज खलीफा है ना उधर 18,000 में मिल रहा है रूम लेने के अरे तू पागल वागल लेगा चुते जाएगा कैसे
Burj Khalifa, that's the problem when you build like the tallest anything, you are setting yourself up as
Yeah.
a target.
Easy target.
People notice, like they will not ignore Burj Khalifa and
Yeah.
attack something else.
Best is our Santa Cruz station. There is one hotel. It's called Airview. It's called Airview. Any view you from anywhere you look yeah, it's called you take that right
It's
now.
a- yeah.
For a car,
Yeah.
there is one hotel called Airview.
I think-
Safest. No drone, nothing.
Is it
They're
an
like
airport view?
No, Airview, bro. Macha, it's Airview.
But I think that's a comment on the AQI. Now you
Yeah.
can see air, right?
Yeah.
There's smoke in the air. You're like, there's air.
This is like that scam that some hotels have. One will have sea view, another will be city view. City view is basically your
Yeah, anytime.
building.
Partial sea view is also there. I stayed in Vietnam once.
Yeah.
Like little bit sea I could see. Little bit. They're like,
Like,
partial sea
you have to
view.
put your life in little risk to see the sea.
Yeah,
Like,
you'll fall down
outside the balcony.
but you'll see the sea.
Yeah, if you come in a swing from the terrace outside, you will see the sea, partial sea view.
Vietnam. You went to Vietnam. How was that?
It's
Vietnam was
beautiful.
fun.
Yeah?
Vietnam was a lot of fun. Yeah, nice place. Like it has everything. It has like mountains, beaches, then peoples.
The
Then-
big three.
Victory.
then
Mountain
Indian,
beaches,
Indian
people.
restaurants also. I went
Oh,
there and I
Indian
had paneer
restaurant?
butter masala also.
Peanut butter, what?
Paneer butter
Paneer
masala
butter
and roti.
Did it feel like Indian or did it feel something
No, it's
different?
good. Like the restaurant I went to in Hanoi was like very top rated.
Okay.
So I had there because I couldn't make fish oil ka smell jama nahi hai.
But you eat non-veg, right?
I eat non-veg. Like but Vietnam non-veg is a little.
It's fishy. It's very
yeah.
fishy and
it's very fishy.
shellfish and all of that. I'm not a...
Yeah. So
Octopus? Do they eat octopus there?
everything they eat.
Uh-huh.
Thailand was good.
Thailand.
Thailand I could like. It's not they use less of fish oil. I think.
Thailand has
Thailand is a little more this one
commercial
also. Yeah, world. They are catering to the world also.
Yeah. But Vietnam, tell me something. This I've always wondered. I've not been to Vietnam. I've been to Thailand long back. But do you feel when you go to a country which has little India vibe, which is there is traffic, there is scooty, उधर का scooty तो famously crazy है. Do you feel like अरे भाई ये तो घर पे भी मिलता है मुझे?
नहीं, वियतनाम में वैसा नहीं लगा. वियतनाम में मतलब roads, better roads.
Yeah.
Infrastructure is better, much better.
क्या बोल रहा है?
बेटर रोड्स, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बेटर. और भाई मतलब उन्होंने कुछ कुछ चीज़ें जैसे कि वहाँ पे एक जगह है बाना हिल्स करके, मतलब इट्स इन द हिल, टॉप ऑफ द हिल दे मेड लाइक अ प्रॉपर amusement park.
Bana Hills.
Bana Hills. And it's very nicely done.
Okay.
And then there's place called Danang karke.
Danang,
It's there Goa.
Yeah.
It's very nicely. The beach is very nice.
How are the cabs over there?
Cab is good.
Good question.
Cab mafia
Is there a mafia?
No, they'll come. Not like कहाँ जाना है?
Danang miles. Do you have to use Danang miles?
कितना बता रहा है? 300 रुपया. कहाँ जाना है? खारवेज जाना है? कारी जाना है? They'll come. Like there's only one app everywhere. It's called Grab. You order
Grab
food.
taxi. Yeah.
You order food and you order all of that from Grab.
Yeah.
In Thailand also, there no questions asked.
I need to go on some holiday. Maybe I'll try Vietnam. Is it like a visa on arrival or
No, you have to apply
quick?
for
But
e-visa.
Quick process.
E-visa. E-visa is good.
But now I think Vietnam also is facing, Philippines is facing fuel crisis.
Oh.
Why? What happened in the world
Same.
recently?
Oh.
What is happening?
Some
One thing in the whole world's geography has improved by one place.
Yeah.
Strait of Hormuz. Everybody knows now. It's having a moment
What a-
right now. Strait of Hormuz.
like I think next year kids will have right significance of Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz is 35 kilometers. Draw a diagram with Strait of Hormuz.
My favorite thing, Trump, every day he drops a banger. But the actually funny thing I heard from him recently was, I'm paraphrasing, but he said something like, yeah, Iran, we attacked them and they really fought back.
Yeah, they're really
we weren't
good guys.
expecting it. He was complimenting that they fought back. He thought they won't. Like, where did this
Iran
idea
played
come?
it really smart, like with the whole blockade of that thing, and they have a system where even if the leader is not there,
Yeah.
so they have decentralized the thing.
You can't decapitate that decapitation tactic
Yeah.
doesn't work. We have all watched the same
chicken head,
professors.
yeah.
We've all watched the same professor's YouTube channel, I think. Have you watched Professor Jiang?
Have you, Professor Jiang?
Yeah.
Hey, we are
Okay.
all, okay.
Okay.
So the world is going to end. Okay.
Okay.
But this Iran has geographical. Again, this is from there. But an analogy I'll give you from my life.
Oh.
When we were growing up in the apartments I lived in Bangalore, there is a river. It's not river. It's a drain between.
I thought you said we were going up in Iran. I was
No,
like,
no,
oh,
no.
that sounds interesting.
No,
Okay.
Bangalore. There's a apartments where I grew up. There's a river. It's actually a drain.
Nala.
Nala. And other side there's another apartments. But we had a strategic advantage. Like our level was higher. So we in Diwali, and don't do this, kids. We used to throw bombs from here to them.
Yeah, so that's the right thing to
Class,
do.
yeah,
That's the right
behavior.
thing to do.
Class.
Yeah,
And
of
they
course.
would throw back, but it would never. We had the strategic
Geographical.
advantage,
Yeah.
and Iran is full of
Mountain,
mountains.
yeah.
You cannot get to them. Somehow there is,
They have a missile launcher in some, what do you say, like
hidden.
Kasol. In Kasol,
Yeah,
they
it
have
just
over there.
opens and
Yeah.
it comes out and it goes
It's like
back.
those old movies, Austin Powers.
Austin
and all, where,
Powers,
like, the
exactly.
mountain will open.
Doctor Evil, Doctor Evil. Remember Doctor Evil? He's based on Lorne Michael. Did you know that?
Really?
Lorne Michaels,
Oh.
the character. Yeah.
I only know Shawn Michaels.
Shawn Michaels riding on cycle. Did you guys say that over here in Bangalore? That was the thing. Shawn Michaels riding on cycle.
DX gang.
Degeneration.
Dude, that was...
Now also I have water. now.
As kids, we used to
Bro.
just do this and we don't know what we are doing and we
Dude,
did
we
it.
should do it in front of a Hindi teacher.
Yeah.
Was a Hindi teacher.
And it used to hurt, by the way.
Yeah.
You know what? Let me say that. It was very painful when we did that because with
Yeah.
energy when we do it, you hit
Yeah,
the groin.
yeah.
you're
Dude, I
like,
had
oh.
marks over
my
here.
Hindi teacher once complained to my father. He's like, Siddharth जो है ऐसे करता है, suck it. And my dad is like,
And
my
Hindi
dad's-
teacher's like,
my
at
dad's
least Hindi में
आप-
बताओ, हिंदी
my
में
dad's
बोलो.
like, avoid कीजिए वो सब चीज़. आप क्यों ध्यान दे रहे हो? But पूरा time suck it करता है.
हिंदी में बोलना चाहिए ना एटलीस्ट दैट्स द मेन थिंग बट या dude with the kind of by the way WWE we were just discussing on the way here today it is in politics now fully because the Trump's administration is they are in it Linda McMahon is education minister of US so actual WWE is reality now like
Because you also अभी मेरे अमेरिकन्स का लिए मैं क्या बोलूँ तुम लोग ने ऐसे प्रेसिडेंट को इलेक्ट किया जो स्टोन कोल्ड स्टीव ऑस्टिन से मार खा गया like that shows the IQ of the country in
Yes.
majority like
100
what is wrong with you guys
But how cool is it for WWE that WWE used to be fake?
Yeah.
Now it entered politics.
Yeah.
Now real life is fake. That's why WWE is real. Do you understand? Like it's brilliantly done.
Greatest marketing.
Greatest
ever.
comeback
Triple H,
ever.
Triple H, bro. What a business mind. Whenever I saw Triple H fighting, I was like, this guy is a great strategist.
I mean,
Accounts कर सकता है इसको.
Triple H is the reason COVID started. I'm sure
Yeah.
that spitting that water.
Yeah.
Some two kids in China did that, and they had one pangolin, and then they did. And that's how COVID
That also was great. That also we used to do that a lot. Not that.
पैंगोलिन खा के ठंडा पानी पे गर्मी बहुत हो रहा है
It's time to play the game. बहुत बड़ा game खेल लिया पूरे दुनिया के साथ. But you guys think the next virus will be the last one?
No, bro. Next virus is going to be a missile. That's what the next virus is going to be. It's going to be an external virus.
But it's over, right? We heard the war. I mean, it's stopping as we speak.
But
by
the thing
time
is
this
that
comes
the
out,
ease of it starting is the problem. Whereas like, like when you sleep and wake up, they're like, when you were sleeping, we bombed there. Like
That's
right?
true,
it's not
bro.
de-escalating
Do
only
in
because-
working times. Do in like 10 to
because
6.
these people lifted sanctions on oil
Yeah.
then Iran's like we don't have oil only now like what
They're like, you only threw the bomb in the soil. Remember, it's burnt now. I loved like back when we were growing up, Desert Storm times, when they were just setting fire to their own oil. That is like the ultimate dramatic move. Like no one takes this oil. If we can't use it, throw a match in it. They're just burning away oil, dude. Insane.
Kuwaiti.
But now when the world is moving towards electrical power, you are saying Formula 1 is also slowly moving towards it.
but yeah the cars have become slower now what's the point of racing
Formula
No,
1.
but that's all right. You saw that Trump saying that he wants to remove all the windmills because he's like, he's like his windmills is so like they're so noisy.
He's like AC चालू है. There's that रंगीला dialogue. AC
like-
चालू है already.
घुमाना इधर
इधर घुमाना.
He's like windmill बंद करता है
Trump
यार.
is fun bro but Trump
Dude.
is
He's great fun if you don't give him power. Like it's great to watch him do. Like let him think
Opposition.
he's
He's a great opposition leader.
no, keep
Yeah.
him in his delusion that
Yeah.
he is in power.
Yeah.
Remove him from power, but put him in one. Let us keep watching him, thinking that he is
Yeah.
president. Give a
yesterday
fake.
they asked him like what is happening to the Strait of Hormuz like we are de-escalating it then they asked him who's gonna control it we both are gonna control it I'm like जो मन में आया बोल देता है
Yeah.
Just, and it's like he's got the real mindset. You know, like what you say in one reel, that's that reality.
10-second
Next
burst.
reel
No,
can
it's a
be
panel
different.
show. He's like panel show guy.
He's like, what? That is over.
He's like my IQ. I have a 180 IQ, more than yours anyway. To a reporter,
Yeah,
he's saying.
I think-
Reporter's not even in the frame.
Dude.
You don't know who he's making
And
fun of.
sometimes he says some. Unfortunately, it's like broken clock is also
Yeah.
right. Sometimes right? That thing he said to Japan was insane. Where
What?
they asked him, "Why didn't you tell us about your attacking Iran? Why weren't we informed?" He's like, I mean, I don't know. Why didn't you tell us about Pearl Harbor when you did it?
हाँ बोला
Banger. What
then
can
they
you
were
say
like
to
अरे
that?
banger bro what a banger move bro
The Japanese were bowing to that. That was like a killer line. So he has
the
that.
worst meme I see about this now it is Oppenheimer teaching Japanese people
Yeah,
about-
yeah.
People are like, any questions? Like, bro,
Feedback,
yeah, what the what the hell is the
This
question?
is like feedback session. It's like how was that?
Oppenheimer.
Oppenheimer.
What's
That-
your honest feeling about that movie now that it's come and gone? Did you think it was as good as they are saying? or
No.
it was- I thought
ठीक था
I
मतलब
thought I wanted more of the Japanese angle. I get that it's Oppenheimer's biopic, but मतलब थोड़ा तो इतने 5 मिनट में निपटा
Japanese angle
दिया.
every day I'm seeing ramen ramen very good ramen they are making good sashimi every day Japanese angle I'm seeing full nicely they're eating
Dude, these Japanese, because I see a lot of my algorithm has become cat dominated. I watch a lot of cat reels. So the Japanese cats a different level.
Ninja
The
cats.
aesthetic
Okay.
sense of them, they're like more. They look AI.
Okay.
They look so fluffy and they're so properly groomed.
Groomed. Yeah.
The one with the huge paragraph of Japanese written
Yeah,
below,
yeah,
that
yeah,
I don't know
translate.
what they're
Yeah.
saying. Yeah, the cutest cats ever.
Dude, Japan, they do that thing where like they'll be like, even dog also, it'll be like a small dog and they'll dress the guy and the dog the same.
Yeah, they
And it's like so cool.
Japan is great, dude. Japan, you can hire relatives.
yeah,
You can hire anything.
That's
great.
brilliant.
Like I would hire like relatives. It's like please अब जाइए बाहर.
Yeah.
आप आइए. आप आइए. आज बैठिए.
Uncle two को भेजिए please.
Yeah.
And India can use this because anyway job market is bad. we
Dude,
can employ
yeah, I
people.
mean, there's so many strugglers in and
Yeah.
around this area where we are shooting.
Struggling actors.
Aram Nagar. They're like, yeah, rent a family, man. Like just.
I would love that. And the thing they say is you can't change your family. Now you can.
See, there are some relatives who always come and tell me, Siddharth, कितना मोटा हो गया. I want new relative. They have not seen me. उन्होंने मेरा कल नहीं देखा. उन्होंने सिर्फ मेरा आज देखा है. Like, अरे scope तो है अभी.
But this relatives also in India, that's just like small talk with relatives. What can it be? It is about your weight. To you, they're saying mota ho gaya hai. To me, they've only said
Wait,
ki
and how
dubla
you
ho gaya
reach
hai.
that place?
हाँ.
How did you come? I'm like, I took cab. I also took cab. Lot of traffic. Yes. Then shut the
और they'll be like गलत किया तूने जो भी किया. अरे ये क्यों किया? This you could have done this.
हाँ, and one more thing I never understand. People are like, कब आने वाला TV में तेरा?
हाँ TV.
Like, you're going for the show now.
Yeah.
When will it come on TV? Directly, I'm coming on TV.
I was thinking the other day I switch on Netflix. I look through everything. I'm like, I should unsubscribe. There is
It
nothing I watch. on
insanely
Netflix.
expensive. Netflix, if you think about it, they charge like $4.99 a month. Everyone else does like yearly stuff.
Yeah.
They do like 1,000 a year and then we won't talk to you. Netflix, they'll come and they take every month they take for like, yeah, did you watch Stranger Things? You
Yeah,
didn't, right?
And
Take
their
$4.99.
collection of stuff
Nothing.
it's I don't want any of that shit. I'm done with it.
Yeah.
Stranger Things I've never watched.
Never.
What are you going to do? You can bring anyone. Rohit Sharma can tell me to watch. I won't watch.
Yeah, Rohit Sharma's biopic,
It's coming?
There should be a Rohit Sharma
There
biopic.
should be. I am a big fan, bro.
Yeah,
Are
dude,
you
yeah,
also
big-
Rohit fan? Of course you are.
Big fan.
Mumbai.
I'm every cricketer's fan. Like,
Of course.
मुझे तो हर cricketer पसंद है.
Azharuddin?
हाँ?
Azharuddin?
वो
Azharuddin also
दो
did.
ड्रॉप कैच देखा उसका वो मैच में बैक टू बैक
I'm
बैंगर्स
everyone's fan.
मनोज प्रभाकर फैन
Everyone. Manoj Prabhakar. See, Manoj Prabhakar also, because of Manoj Prabhakar, there was some fun, yeah.
fun elements.
Kapil Dev also, I'm a big fan.
Kapil Dev, I'm a genuine fan. Whatever the rumors are, here's the thing. Like, I'm a Azharuddin fan also.
Yeah.
Because
I'm even
he's-
Sadhgopan
back, yeah,
Ramesh
like
fan.
back.
Do you remember Sadhgopan Ramesh?
Of course,
I
Sadhgopan
know
Ramesh
Sadhgopan
and
Ramesh.
VVS used to open test में एक time पे Sadhgopan all consistently 30 average.
Robin Singh.
Robin
Oh, yeah,
Singh.
Robin Singh, dude. He was our Michael Bevan, dude.
Yeah, he's the guy who proved that Indians can also field.
Yeah.
That was the thing. He could
There should be actually a Robin Singh documentary.
But what else has he done in life?
So Robin Singh grew up in Trinidad and Tobago.
Trinidad.
Then he came to India in Chennai. Then a guy from West Indies ended up playing for Tamil Nadu Ranji team. And they won Ranji after 32 years
Oh.
because of him.
He was the star player.
Pure fielding.
And he pure fielding, like jumping everywhere.
Even while batting, he was
कितना
fielding.
He's hitting and catching himself.
बहुत ज्यादा इधर उधर. Then उसने अपना डेब्यू वहीं पे किया, Trinidad and Tobago में इंडिया के लिए डेब्यू किया.
Wow.
From where, but I don't know. Like,
I don't think I like your idea, but
This is like a
बहुत
reel,
fun
bro. It's
है.
not a
you are now sounding like a Netflix executive.
Let's
lacks the flavor. Like, where's the
let's,
item number?
yeah, we can-
Like when Ranji is going on so much dancing. Robin, idhar aaja.
Rob out. We can table the idea later. Right now, we've got Rohit. Rohit is on the cards. Rohit, I want to see Rohit Sharma
Yeah, of
documentary.
course.
But no one can.
Like, I saw one small reel, okay, very nice reel it is, where you know, a group of people are sitting, okay, and then one lady comes and she's like, वापस से आज उसने कांच तोड़ा. So one uncle, he removes 100 rupees and gives to that lady. Then everyone gives money to that uncle. बोलता है कि वो इतना अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलता है तो उसको कोचिंग में क्यों नहीं डालते हैं? And then they all contribute, people who are there, and then he takes the kid to the coaching academy. And the coach asked, "क्या नाम है तेरा?" बोलता है Rohit Sharma. And you're like, oh! Then the edit comes, Rohit Sharma 6 मारा.
Of course.
Then some Punjabi music. And I was like, oh, come on.
It always works.
Karan Aujla. Yeah, yaar, bring it on.
This is in Bangalore. We had this thing of when you go in Residency Road, that they'll say over here, this building, Robin Uttapa hit a 6 and it hit this window. Because from the school, St.
Yeah.
Joseph's, it used to come.
Oh.
And same school, Dravid hit. It did not come
hit
to
the
me.
ground shot tha.
Ground shot.
It didn't. You know why Dravid didn't hit? Because it's better to one pitch shot always.
Yeah.
If once they made one pitch is out, Dravid used to get out every time.
Yeah. Then he moved out of Bangalore.
But yeah, I used to love that Dravid and Shoaib Akhtar encounter.
Dude.
Shoaib Akhtar would run and Dravid would be like, Shoaib Akhtar would be like, ये बहरा लेके आया भाई
He
मतलब.
absolutely broke his spirit because from where he used to run, from the boundary rope,
Yeah.
and then you just defend the hell out of it.
Yeah.
I love, like, it's fun to, in retrospect, it's fun. While watching live, though I was a huge Dravid fan, it's sometimes you'll have to like take a break. Dravid was the perfect second screen watch. Like you can
Yeah.
watch another thing and come back to it. Like, oh, yeah, he's still out there. No stress. We had Pujara more recently, who was
Pujara was great. Pujara I used to like. Pujara, in the sense, Australia का तो मतलब
Pujara, you felt like he knew more about something else also. Like finance, he knew more. Like
Yeah,
you could
yeah.
ask him about like fixed deposit rate.
That's
Of,
true.
you know
yeah,
that
Pujara,
also.
That's
you
true.
know, right?
What?
They own like a very big
See, I told you, right?
You-
He
you
has like he's
sensed
thinking
mobile-
about his
mob-
farmhouse.
Mobile. It's called Pujara only. Pujara Mobiles.
What? It's a family business.
Yeah, it's like Croma, bro, in Gujarat.
Wow.
What do you think here about Pujara? What are you thinking? He is a great man. This is just time pass.
This is like
Sorry.
he's the Adani के बाद next पुजारा ही है उधर मतलब.
You see, it's Pojara, white font, orange background.
Oh, different spelling, huh? On this thing. Wow. Then why is he?
Rohit has also said ना एक बार once his mother asked कि तुम ये मैच खेलने जाते हो तो इतना why you get so tanned? So he's like, there's this guy batsman called Pujara. He bats for 4 days. Just
So
feel-
funny. That's great. Rohit is damn funny, dude. Big fan.
Rohit is just himself and he's so funny.
Yeah.
And he's like that, all that stump mic stuff you hear, right? He's
Killer.
like that not micromanaging
Yeah,
manager.
he's not PR, like he's not letting the PR ruin his natural. Hey, Jaisu, बैठे रहे उधर.
बैठे रहने का, बैठ के
हाँ,
उठने का नहीं.
हाँ, I
कोई
love
गार्डन
that.
में घूमेगा. Like that's the best part, bro. Which Indian captain has spoken like that?
And the Pujara, since you brought Pujara, you remember when he's sitting and he tells Ishan Kishan कि उसको बोलना उधर मारने को 6, and then Pujara in a test match, Pujara has been just doing
Yeah.
this, and they cut to Rohit sitting and he's telling Ishan, who's the 12th man, to go tell him कि उधर मारना खाली है, and next this guy Pujara who never hits comes and hits a 6, and then they cut back to Rohit. That's right.
और एक है ना पूजी भाग.
Ah, yeah.
And best is review का also is that this guy.
Yeah, that Washington Sundar.
और review का it is this with this guy ना सिराज 3 है मारने का ले लेता हूँ. अरे no, that's such a skateboard move, bro. That's just like proper skateboard kids talking.
Yeah. It's
But
just-
was he like rich upbringing? Not rich upbringing.
No, dude.
he's
Rohit
proper
Sharma,
rags to riches.
dude, Rohit Sharma, he should stay with an uncle. And literally full rags to riches story. Like they did not, like first time his uncle went, कि coaching का पैसा देना है. So they asked some $400. They're like, we cannot pay this much. Then the whole people helped.
Ah.
Then his coach supported him.
Ah.
He should stay at his coach's house. There's a lot
Okay,
of story back
yeah.
and forth. Where it was really tough for full rags to riches. Because
Yeah.
फिर तुम देखोगे ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि कोई भी स्पोर्ट को फॉलो करना अपने कंट्री में ना इट्स अ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव अफेयर.
Yeah.
Yeah, and cricket is a very expensive sport. This is the irony that it's somehow become the biggest sport in this country.
it's tough. और क्रिकेट इतने बड़े स्केल में खेला जाता है that you know we think but यार आप किट देखो, आपका कोचिंग का देखो,
Bro, it's damn
प्लस आपको
expensive.
एजुकेशन पे भी फोकस करना है कि आपको आपका बेसिक एजुकेशन भी देखना है बिकॉज इतना कंपटीशन है गेम में. ऐसा नहीं कि आप फुटबॉल खेल सॉकर वॉकर खेल रहे हो, कोई और गेम खेल किसी और गेम में तो स्कोप नहीं है.
Badminton
मुझे
खेल
लोग
सकते
आके बोलते हैं ना ओ ये मैंने बोला नहीं है स्कोप, जाओ बैठो.
But this is a good point. Like this is what like in football in Barcelona, that's what they have, which
Yeah.
is what we don't have. Which
School.
is everyone will not make it.
Yeah.
Sport is by definition the cream will make it. The rest have to be educated to
Yeah.
get into some job. At least if they're educated, they'll find a job around sport.
Yeah, some physio or something they'll be.
Something.
Yeah.
At least be a everyone says
No,
at least do the
there's
BCom.
some open mic. There's some open micer in Bangalore who is a physio, and I asked him like, so sports. He's like, bro, India physio. They don't give a about physios in India. Like, there's no like. It's better for me to go to Europe and be a physio there because some club ka this one I'll get in. Like
He's a
some,
comic and he's a
yeah,
physio.
yeah.
After a bomb, can you go like,
Yeah.
bro, that
Yeah,
bomb
okay,
hurt
just-
me over here.
Yeah, I have a
Can you
knot.
please massage
मसाज नहीं करते हैं
lower back में
फिजियो
bomb
का
हो
लोग का
गया.
मजा रहता है ये नस दबा देता हूँ
Yeah.
Dude, have you seen those chiropractor reels? Those guys are
Dude.
just doing basically soft porn.
Yeah.
They're just like doing some putting their
Yeah,
hand
it's
like
like-
this and
near the
Yeah.
near this area like you know
This
they're like,
area.
and first of all if you want to press this area people can be standing but they'll be like sit spread your legs then I'll I'm like, what is this?
And now they're doing for animals. There's a
Animals
dog.
I like it.
I like that.
Animals
horse,
I like it.
Horse I like. Horse.
Even dogs are like it. They're like,
But you, the dog doesn't know what the hell
Yeah,
you're
and
doing.
that's all right. They put subtitle there where like dog feels great now. Well, it's like if it is not there, I'll be
Did
like
you
the dog
do?
is angry.
Did you
right?
interview the dog
Yeah,
afterwards?
because I saw one guy. I went to his whole thing where he basically releases horse's leg. He like does something over there, and the horse will just do like this, and you're like, the horse feels great now. I'm like, okay, bro.
Yeah, but then
Yeah.
what does he feel great for? Now you're going to ride him
Run
for
again.
longer. That's all. That's
Yeah.
like his life is still hell only, no?
They do those
they'll
things
put on
also.
horseshoe f- him over.
Yeah.
Humans also they do the thing where that they just pull the neck back.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
do that ring dinger.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
called. I mean, of course, it feels great because you're going to die.
It's a crack sound. It's a pseudoscience, by the way. So if you're going for that, good luck with that. Is that on Astro Talks also? This guy's an Astro Talks guy.
A big Astro talk, bro.
But I think we have to.
I believe in AI and AT.
Do you do Astro Talks, bro?
No, dude, like I recently went to an astrologer. I like because I wanted to see what he says. I went to the astrologer who sit in mall and all, bro.
Whoa.
OG.
Like you need to have because you know if you're sitting in mall, okay, the 100 people are watching your performance.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, what?
Outside, kiosk.
Yeah,
Or
kiosk.
not an office.
No, the kiosk astrologer, bro. I'm like that is confidence, bro.
Next
I
to
just want
Theo Broma or something.
I just want to see what he says. Then either they'll say something like, "आप हीरा हो." Then they're like, "पर आप कचरे में हो." I'm like, "अरे full reverse." Then there'll be 5 people will be like, you know, क्या हो रहा है इसके साथ?
Yeah.
Then once one astrologer in mall only I went, he told me that, you know, अगले साल तक आपके 2 ऑफिस होंगे. मैंने ऑफिस का करूंगा क्या, मैं कॉमेडियन हूँ. होंगे ऑफिस आपके, आप अपने आप पे भरोसा क्यों नहीं कर रहे? हम like,
That's funny.
आपका बड़ा भाई आपसे जलता है. हम like, full like, I told him I'm the only son.
I love this saying कि आपका 2 ऑफिस होगा because for him he's playing numbers.
Yeah,
game.
he's like-
Most people will be like, wow, मेरे 2 ऑफिस. But only for a comic, this means मैं fail हो रहा हूँ.
Yeah,
Next
yeah,
year मेरा खराब हो रहा है. And you're like, say something positive, bro. But they'll always do the mix of positive, negative, right?
Yeah.
They'll give you something that you have and something you should strive for. That
Yeah.
combination, they will
See,
send.
there will be no astrologer. Like, I think India में अगर ये बोलना तो नहीं चाहिए पर इंडिया में अगर आप मिडिल क्लास घर में पैदा हो रहे हो आपका बैड लक वैसे बचपन से चालू होता है. It's like what nothing good.
What do you mean, bro? One of the best.
And you're like,
Why? What do you mean? One of the best experiences
Yeah,
on
bro,
earth
what are you saying?
possible. Why? It prepares you for everything.
yeah. Like why are you going to astrology? Like,
Yeah.
A little bad luck, you come with bad luck.
Yeah.
Like
If your why didn't your parents go to astrologer and they should have said, I predict you should not have a child. That's the best prediction.
astrologer should be like that. कितना पैकेज आपका अब बच्चा मत कीजिए.
हाँ, best.
आप में लिखा हुआ है बट मत कीजिए आप.
This is like finance planning, like a CA. like,
Wealth
with the-
management. But astrologer is another version of wealth
Yeah,
manager.
it's
only.
basically
There's
wealth management.
See, first of all, astrologer first they'll see middle class household. Then they'll
Yeah.
be like,
aspirational.
I'll tell you. It's like, हाथ बताइए आपका. क्या नाम है आपका? एक सेकेंड. क्या नाम है आपका?
Shamik.
शामिक. शांत स्वभाव के हैं. शांत स्वभाव के हैं. थोड़ा फनी मतलब सीरियस रहते हैं. बुक्स पढ़ने का शौक है आपको.
All good things, yeah.
और,
no one will say no. हाँ.
इतवार के दिन 3 बजे सेक्स मिल जाता है. अच्छा लगता है. शांत स्वभाव के. तो they'll
Yeah.
They got you now.
like फॉरेन जाने का योग तो है
Ah, yes.
फॉरेन जाने का योग then the full everyone's bet
Yeah.
They're like
Then,
okay
then
okay.
this
No,
guy.
also I think there's a difference in the prediction if you go to the astrologer or the astrologer comes to your house. Because if you go to the astrologer, he doesn't know, like, you're the rich people bring the astrologer here.
Yeah,
then
yeah,
th-
that's a
Then
different
it's like,
game.
अरे सर आपका तो income tax rate नहीं होगा sir 100%.
No,
and
that's
all
a
that.
corporate gig
Yeah.
for them. So like we treat corporate gig, we are just like please them and get out of
Yeah.
here. They are also like give them what they want, take the money, and then on the streets, in the mall,
yeah.
that's the gig you do for yourself.
yeah,
that's
that
the
live show.
art. That's the art.
Like once what happened, I went to astrologer in a I like going to such astrologers.
Clearly love it.
Like who are like who have a job. Like they come in the at 10 o'clock they come in a hotel and they'll say this is a job. Okay?
Job,
So I
yeah.
went to him and he's like बहुत लोग and this and that. And then they have a solution also. ये टोटका है मेरे पास. This kit है 15,000 rupees. You go and do something and so then the purpose is he'll say about the kit I'll tell you afterwards. Every time you enter the hotel he'll be like अरे चाहिए क्या चाहिए क्या हम like क्या यार आप ये सब क्यों कर रहे हो please.
How does a guy like that get hired for the hotel? Does he say, I predict by tomorrow I'll be working here? And they're like, God damn right you will. This guy is good.
मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं होटल को कचरे से हीरे में बदल सकता हूँ like अरे 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 अरे.
Oh man. Shall we wrap it?
Yeah, let's do.
So we have to do our final segment now.
Yeah.
Small
We have
celebrated,
a
much
very
celebrated.
celebrated segment where they don't want us to stop this segment. We keep thinking we will, but we can't because they love it. It's called Small Talk Different Year. We're just talking in a podcast like this, but different year. We are in the year 1992 now. And let's go.
हर्षद मेहता का क्या हुआ पैसा गया कि नहीं तुम्हारा मेरा तो भाई चड्डी वड्डी सब बिक गया है यार
भाई ये तो मतलब इस पे तो कुछ बनाना चाहिए. इतना क्रेजी स्कैम हुआ है ये. क्या लगता है?
इस पे कुछ मूवी भी बनना चाहिए
बनना चाहिए.
कोई यंग एक्टर को लेना चाहिए वो लोग ने
यंग एंड बिग स्टार, राइट? और नो?
बिग मेरे को लग रहा है हर्षद मेहता का वाइब है ना मेरे को लग रहा है यंग लड़के को लेना चाहिए
अप एंड कमिंग.
अप एंड कमिंग
अप एंड कमिंग लाइक ऑपोजिट ऑफ हमारा शहर.
थोड़ा राइट वाइट भी चल रहा है मैं सुना
राइट चल रहा है.
राइट चल रहा है
हाँ.
दलाल स्ट्रीट में सब आ गए.
नहीं दलाल स्ट्रीट नहीं ऊपर से कुछ हो गया ना वो कुछ तो तोड़ा वोड़ा पब्लिक ने
अरे
तो राइट वाइट चल रहा है मतलब ये साल थोड़ा वैसे मतलब कुछ
तो
खास
खराब है.
नहीं रहा
हाँ, क्रिकेट के हिसाब से भी खराब ही चल रहा है ये साल. am I right? क्या हो रहा है इस साल में क्रिकेट में?
वर्ल्ड कप जीता ना कोई तो
वही तो जीता भाई.
This is the problem that World Cup. Why we lost? Because Benson and Hedges or something was there.
It's wrong.
We have to get back to our roots.
Yeah.
Pan masala we have to get back. That is when we perform the best.
at least gold flake
हाँ,
kings
goal play. हाँ, Kings.
kings at least they should have had
Kings है तो
Benson and Hedges क्या है?
yeah, Benson and Hedges by foreign mal.
Yeah, we
don't
sent
want
them
to
out. 1947, Benson and Hedges.
win. We said bye to you. We don't want your trophy.
why are
now.
coming and coming at least kings light gold flake king
Kings matlab only one king in that
Yeah.
tournament.
Yeah,
It's us,
the
alright?
king's cigarette is also like full at least 5 people can have one puff
That's
so
right. Sharing is caring.
sharing is caring
Spread the less
क्या
probability.
पैसे डूबे कुछ शेयर मार्केट में
मेरा तो खराब चल रहा है भाई.
But
मेरा
अभी तो यार it's
खाली
like,
है.
but now I think only it'll pick up. I'm investing in like forex. I sold all my because rupee is 30 now.
30?
Dollar. 30. Can
I mean,
you believe
it's
so
it?
much or what
disgusting. It's
rupees
disgusting.
I'm just wondering when it'll hit 19 future
Yeah, you do.
19 will not hit bro
Come on,
Whatever.
yaar. By the time we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Where we will.
90 क्या हमारा ISD कोड डाल रहा है क्या? 91.
कुछ भी 90 तो नहीं होने वाला है 90 थोड़ी होएगा यार
Come on यार.
30 I think you know it'll come down I think
Yeah, now it'll come down. Now
it'll come down to 2025
Yeah,
I think we've reached the peak. We are turning the other direction.
yeah
now.
we're turning
I mean, this is the future, guys. Abhi, there's a company called International Business Machines.
What?
And they have launched this ThinkPad. It's called ThinkPad. It's the future, bro. You sit all day on this gray color laptop.
Laptop.
You don't. It's
how
not
big
on
is
your
it?
lap.
How big is it?
No, it's not that. It's like it's about only this big.
Huh.
Roughly this big.
it does Excel
Excel, of course.
Excel, oh, that's
you.
a-
You've been using
yeah Excel is
okay?
great
No, I'm
I mean,
still Lotus 123, bro.
Lotus Notes.
Lotus 123. Whoa, क्या Excel? Yeah, Bill Gates will get nothing. I'm pretty sure he'll
Bro,
get.
this Excel, they are saying if you learn Excel, your future is secure.
My Lotus guy told me the same thing.
Oh,
If you
yeah?
learn Lotus, you get your future secure. I was just watching movies like they're getting new faces and all now, man. There's some Chocolate Boy, some
Who's there?
Shah Rukh Khan and all is there.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan.
शाहरुख खान नाम बोला अच्छा कर रहा है शाहरुख.
Yeah.
क्या है
3
उसका अभी?
names.
Oh,
Shah
oh.
Rukh Khan. What is this? It's like what? If I say like Neil, Nitin, Mukesh, it's like that.
Just 3 words.
3 words.
NBA also, sorry, Olympics also, they called their own old players back. It's
Barcelona.
all stars in Spain.
In Barca?
Yeah, in Barcelona. America, they're like, अभी ये सब थोड़ी होगा कि आगे जाकर के हम लोग सचिन को बुलाएंगे. बोले सचिन, losing now, come back. और ऐसा थोड़ी
Oh,
होता है.
this is the dream team or what?
Dream team, yeah,
Dream
yeah.
team. I
Dream
heard.
team, yes.
Dream team.
Jim Jam Biscuit, yeah. It's called Dream Team. It has Michael Jordan, it has LeBron James.
LeBron James is not there. Who is LeBron,
LeBron James is coming as audience.
Under 16 चल रहा है क्या? क्या कौन से साल में जी रहा है भाई तू?
Someone is there. It is Samir Deshpande also.
Deshpande.
Samir Deshpande is also
अरे
there.
भाई
मोहम्मद
actually, उसका डंक तो बहुत
मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन is the
His
captain.
father went to do programming in the US and that.
Oh.
Anything else is happening in 92? Anything? And in our year?
I don't know, man.
Authors Isaac Asimov and Robert Dahl died, and Satyajit Ray also.
Oh yeah, I'm very sad about Mr. Satyajit Ray.
He was a ray of hope
Yeah.
and he's gone now. But he won an Oscar on the way out.
Yeah?
Which is respect, bro.
Which were in memoriam. Did he get
Not in memoriam. Just before in memoriam. He
Because
won.
after,
Just before.
because now that Oscar is like appreciating Indian talent, right? Now I think it'll like
It's opening it up.
opening it up every year.
Every year we'll win
It's a
one.
golden streak of Indian back-to-back wins.
and especially like if someone like passes away, so there will be
Big time.
Big time.
Who do you see as this Shah Rukh Khan you mentioned? He's going to be the star. They're saying.
He is a Dharmendra.
He's the Dharmendra.
He is the Dharmendra of
the new
Bollywood.
era.
Yeah, new age.
90s, I think, is the best
He's
era.
going to
it's going
usher
be.
in a new era.
Usher in a new era of
Oh.
lover boys. Am I right?
Yeah.
Who else is starring right now in movies? There are 2 more Khans I've heard. They're doing pretty well.
I like Sonali Bendre. Yaar.
Sonali Bendre. Dude, at least you know what, Sonali Bendre, I like her because she's not doing this ridiculous songs like this Choli ke piche kya hai. What,
Yeah.
Come on,
What
yaar.
is that?
Yeah, dude. Sonali Bendre
Don't
is
ask
like,
me questions I know answer
Yeah.
for already. Am I
What
right?
is this? Am I a child? Choli ke piche kya hai? What is this?
5. How
all
many
the double
marks?
meaning songs. Yeah.
How many marks for this
I
answer?
really hope such double meaning songs don't
Get
take
out
place
of
in
here.
Future.
Yeah.
I know, yeah.
It's only going to get better in the future.
Because even if you're like, don't do double meaning. Like, I want to hear songs about like taking a bottle and putting it in this one without losing a drop and all, right? You know what I'm talking about?
You know what? I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Okay. Like. What Shamik doing a movement?
I don't know what it
Want
is.
to know everything.
I want to know what you're talking about.
After the shoot, we can show you able to.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's still there though. But yeah, but so I want. That's what like talk about alcohol in
Oh.
this one, right? Like
4 bottles.
yeah, no, not 4 bottles. Like current day, like recent controversy.
Oh.
Nora Fateh's song.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. sorry. It took me a while.
Yeah,
It took
yeah.
me a while to understand about
That's
the
it.
future you are talking about.
Put the bottle in and don't lose a drop. And till you're satisfied.
This is like
Drink.
high level. This is single meaning.
This
They're talking
is
about
single
drinking.
meaning. This is
I like
alcoholism.
single meaning. Don't try to add multiple meanings.
Yeah. No single meaning and no ऐसा open like single meaning.
Yeah,
Like,
open interpretation.
Don't
nahi chahiye.
try to play around ki this is this, but also also
No, yeah.
direct to point.
Direct. Vulgarity, full vulgarity, show it.
Yeah.
Oh, I heard this is a good. There's a new president in town, not this town.
Oh yeah,
In
dude,
US.
the saxophone player, right?
Yeah, Bill Clinton. He's considered very charming.
Charming guy.
man.
Yeah, the family guy.
Family
Family
guy.
guy.
Upholding family values.
Yeah, Family Guy.
Family guy, very charming. All the men love him. All the women want to be with
Yeah.
him. But he's loyal to his wife, and that's why.
No,
we love
and
him.
his wife also. When I see his wife also, I'm like, there's a president in her also.
There is a potential president.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Full
There's
family.
a just miss president. Just miss in her, like
Your
close.
Secretary of State.
Silver medal. Silver medal is there at least.
Yeah.
Are you guys? The gold has gone up, guys. Did you guys sell it?
Gold.
Dude, I sold everything. My whole ancestral property in
Yeah?
gold. I sold 4,000 rupees for a gram, bro.
Killing it.
Killing it, dude.
Killing it.
Yeah, and I'm putting all that money, and I sold my Gurgaon property. Do you know Gurgaon?
I've heard of Gurgaon.
There's near Delhi.
National
I had
capital region,
2-acre region near one hub. And I sold that also. Invested fully
In?
in Indian currency. In the rupee.
Why you're talking like everything is censored in this conversation?
in the
This is,
rupee.
brother, this is 92, man.
Yeah,
This
in
is
the
liberalization is happening and it's all good.
It's the year, yo. It's the shiz, yo.
Everything's great
half
right
I
now.
invested in rupee, half I invested in Campa Cola.
Oh, I think, I'm sorry, I don't want to make a prediction. I think you big time regret this investment for many years, and then suddenly you will not
Make
anymore.
money, yeah? Make
you
a
will be
lot of
like,
money.
we are back. We are so back, bro. That's what's going to happen. But you have to wait. One government will come where everything will change.
एक सरकार आएगी और
That's
सब
right.
कुछ बदल देगी.
That's right. Chapter 12. Chapter 13.
Yeah.
We'll split this into 12 chapters. So you
Salu
can
guys, let's
understand.
go for one chai nearby.
Yeah, we're going to go
good.
get a chai, maybe
Yeah.
a 4-hour chai.
Yeah.
And or 7 hours in 3 parts. We're going to go get a
But
chai.
the 12th part will be 7 hours.
That's right.
Yeah.
And long may the rupee prosper.
I think they'll turn it around from 30 is too much, bro.
I'm waiting, bro. In 10 years, my prediction, what is this, 92?
5 rupees it will be.
10 years.
Well, yeah.
I'm
for
saying-
$1 you'll get on Chota Golf. Like,
No, I'm telling you guys,
Bro.
my prediction, this is 92. 10 years from now, 2002, we won't even talk about money. There'll
Yeah.
be bigger things to talk about. That's what I'm saying.
Like flying cars and
Right.
flying
That's
car.
what. That's what I
Flying
mean.
cars.
and ethanol, cars run by ethanol. and all
Ethanol.
that,
Car and me are drinking the same liquid. It's gonna be the best time. You know, both of us are arrested.
yeah. Ethanol milkshake. Ethanol
Irish.
jigar tanda.
Irish coffee. That's the future, but this is the present, and we will see you next time. That's the end of 92.
Yeah.
He tried to end it before, but we are like, let's keep it going. We wanted director's cut. This is Aditya Dhar version. Peak detailing. You guys have been awesome. Thank you for watching. Siddharth Shetty, this is coming out in 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Next week it's coming. If you have a tour, you have anything coming up, please plug.
Nothing as such, but I will announce in the due course of time. You will know it.
Wow, that's a strong plug. Please keep track.
Toodles have noodles and yeah.
Toodles have noodles. And
Right.
if you got till this point, do hashtag Toodles.
Yeah.
And if you didn't get to this point, hashtag Noodles.
All right.
That's the dumbest one so far.
Bye.
Peace.
Bye.